Hello everyone, my name is Akshay Kumar and I'm a 2021 Mechanical Engineering pass out from IEM Kolkata. Uh, I am currently pursuing my post-graduation diploma in Industrial Engineering or MBA as you may say from NITI Mumbai. And first of all, I would like to thank ISHRE IEM student chapter for letting me have this opportunity to interact with you guys. Of course, it's online, and I miss college. Being at campus was a really nice experience, but I guess this is the new normal, and I hope all of you are fine. And I wish best of your health to all of you. So this video will be more about my personal key insights on the GATE preparation and the last month preparation strategies. So to start with, I would like to say that first thing is that you must have completed all your syllabus by now. If not, try to complete it as soon as possible. And I know for a fact because most of the coaching institute tried to extend this syllabus completion till January. But you must not wait for them. You must look for some other means for your syllabus completion and try to complete it as soon as possible. There are numerous amount of teaching resources available over YouTube for you to refer, and you must look through them. Which brings to me to my second point, which is test series. By now, you must have taken uh, a lot of topic-wise and subject-wise tests, uh, and now is the time to go through the full-length test. We all must have felt that full-length tests are a bit easier on the easier side comparative to the topic-wise and subject-wise test. So it's now your time to uh, go through them, and you must not focus on one particular institution. Like personally, I would say that there is no limitation in the number of tests that you should give. I would say that the number of full length tests should in between 30 to 40 at minimum. Personally, I would say that I have given around 45 full length tests before exam, and they were like cumulative of the Made Easy, Exergic, ACE, textbook, and grade up. So these five are enough from mechanical engineering point of view, I guess. Which brings to me to my third point, which is most of us, most of us feel that uh, we are really panicked right before exams, right? Which is again not a really good thing, and for which I would suggest that you must have friends, like not a group, but at least one or two, and because you need to understand that GATE is not individual effort. It takes a joint effort of your family, your friends, and it of course your friendship right now is really crucial part, and you and your friend should act as a team in cracking this particular exam. So try to find one or two friends and work alongside them. Maybe you can share some doubts and try to help others as well, which will also make you like trying to solve a particular problem in a group provides you some really like for me it provided me some really innovative ways to solve the same particular problem, which is really crucial in this particular time because it might save your time by a large extent. And try to maintain a good vibe around you. Maybe try to meditate or pray because it really helps. It really does, believe me. Second, next, I would like to say that you must try to bring out that monotonous part of your routine, because most of us would have felt that like if you are monotonously preparing for one particular exam, you must try to exploit one particular hobby or maybe a one particular interest of yours. Like in my case, I was associated with ISHRE, and it really helped me because I had certain tasks coming in which I was ready to work upon, so that I would be able to like break those that a particular monotonous routine of mine, which really helped me. Other than this, ISRE has already was a really great experience because if ISRE would not have been in my profile, I would not have made it to NITI, because in NITI they look particularly for those managerial skills, and I have given my 3 years to ISRE IIM student chapter, and I'm really glad that I did, because it has taught me the things that I would never have even thought of learning by myself. Have enough opportunities once you crack gate. So now is not the time to focus on uh, to look for those what are the opportunities. The result is not in your hand anymore. All You should only focus on your preparation part. You should never think of what college you will get, what PSU you will get. This is not the right time. All you should think about is your preparation and solving that one particular problem that you are on. You see, the same goes while you are in the exam center also. Rather than thinking of what will happen next, you should focus on that particular problem that you are on, because that is the most important thing in your life at that particular moment. I believe that since the AXI paper I had a lot of pressure. In mechanical engineering I didn't had any, so it kind of worked in my favor. And you must think that it's not all in your hand, right? Anything may go right or wrong. Like in our like personally speaking, that it's my belief that last year one of the paper were fairly difficult with respect to other, and fortunately I was having the easier one. So it's about what it's not everything is not in your hand. Many of my friends uh, had the other set, which was the more difficult one, and they had to face it because they you can't change everything, right? You are a part of that system. So you should never think of what will happen. You can only think of what is in your hand that you can accomplish. As I was saying, that you will have enormous opportunities. You will be getting AmTechs, you will be getting management roles, you will be getting research works once you crack gate, and it is a really great opportunity for every engineer to and you must be for once uh, try to provide your dedication in this particular exam, and it will surely go a long way. And finishing off, I would like to say that you can of course reach out to me anytime you want. And again really thankful for IEM and my various mentors and my professor beside you for your preparation. Is a really lucky thing, and I'm really fortunate to have three like so many teachers by my side. So next, I would like to say that you can reach out to me anytime. You can have my LinkedIn profile. You can reach out to me on LinkedIn, and I will be really glad to help you. And let me know if you come to Mumbai anytime. I will be really glad to show you the campus. It's known as God's own campus, and it's really beautiful one. And I'm really fortunate to be here, and it's all because of IEM. And thank you IEM for having me. Uh, Thank you, guys.